Jamaica and the globe. I want to listen to that clip here from the youth that named Draws Davis, who they try to use reverse psychology and distraction from the corruption that is taking place right now in the Jamaica Labour Party, the Jamaican Labour Party that him, Draws Davis, blog for. Listen the clip and then we will continue to dissect it.
See post the people you see making all kinds of videos, the people you see posting all kinds of lies, not even nonsense, lies, daily, weekly, systematically. They're not doing it for free. They are being paid to do so. They are highly coordinated.
Me love no bad. To our social media warriors like Keisha Mack, Alex Higgs, Selena, Oral Campbell, Bridget Watson, Donovan De Paz, Black Italian, Jay Brown, Alex Jano, Mr. and Mrs. Dottyman, Chopper John West from the Chopping Block, who is our personal Ian Harding.
Stop right there, sir. You know who is that? Eli Clark. What the position that he held? Speaker of the House. Why him say, me love no bad to our social media warriors. In name Chopper John West. The same Chopper John who down at the Cornwall Regional Hospital as project manager. The same Chopper John who is a chef. What down at Cornwall Regional Hospital now as project manager. Keisha Mack and the whole of them. Eli Clark, they tell the nation and the globe, say if it wasn't for them, most of who you see in a parliament, it would not possible. So when George Davis says them pay people who is out there destroying people career, him they speak of the Jamaica Labour Party. Him never lie. We continue to listen what the baboon they say.
And now the power that the politician has and the influence is wielded through getting goons to destroy people's reputations on social media. That's where it has gone. That's where the power and influence of the politician is now present. So these groups exist, funded, taken care of by some of our political representatives. And that is their new influence of power.
Well, listen to me, George Davis. We know those groups. And we know who are the goons. You, George Davis, or Draws Davis, and Big Mama, and Mouthpiece Radio Station. Who know are the biggest goon. Who know spread the most conspiracy theory. Who know are bloggers for the Jamaica Labour Party. And that is the reason why Cliff Hughes, a nationwide radio station, can owe 1.5 million or billion in back taxes. So you guys are the perfect example of the goon that you are talking about. You're just trying to use reverse psychology on the Jamaican people. But we know who are the people who is getting paid to work on behalf of the Jamaican Labour Party. It not take rocket scientists to figure it out. Eli Clark just stated that. Who is Eli Clark? What, Deputy Speaker of the House? And he's making the nation know that we love them bad. And he referred to them as our social media warriors. At them come take on the fight in the media. At them fight for the Jamaica Labour Party. Positive media. What Andrew Holness create. At them in pay. So when they run out and they come, brother, you don't have to know how to come. But the Jamaican people must not get distracted. Not get distracted over this. It is all the scandal that is taking place under the Andrew Holness administration. None of them can come out. None of them can come out to speak to the Jamaican people what they want. When we go up at the university hospital, over $500 million, 50 contract give out, and we don't know how the money spent. Nobody don't know where the money gone. You bring in 12 dialysis machine in the island. You use taxpayers' money to pay the tax on them to bring them in the country. And when those machines come, those machines now are in private facility. And if the hospital should want one, I think the hospital would have to go and purchase back a machine that they already purchased to bring in the country. So it is a distraction that they are trying to come with. We have to focus and understand the playbook of the Jamaica Labour Party. And anytime there is some damning reports out there in the media, the Andrew Holness administration used nationwide to distract us. And get us off the main topic of what is going on. We cannot be distracted. We have to stay locked in, and we have to call them out for the corrupted party that they are. And they use nationwide radio station to sell their propaganda, to tell their lies, and to try to deflect the people of Jamaica from the real issue that is at hand. That we lose millions over at the university hospital, and the Prime Minister of Jamaica no come out and address it. The Health Minister of Jamaica no come out and address it. That is where the substance is right now. And we don't hear nothing from none of them. They are hiding from the media. And that is the reason why they only can go to nationwide and give an interview. They only can go to nationwide and give an interview. Because anywhere else them go expose. They are going to expose. We cannot allow the Jamaica Labour Party to control the narrative. They are not that strong. They are not that powerful. They are not that organized, and they are not in that unity for us to allow them to control the narrative when so much corruption and scandal is taking place within the Andrew Holness administration. So why should we allow them to change the narrative when we have all the evidence right in front of us now? The agriculture minister spent $870 million without key oversight. No supervision. Think about it. RADA also stated that they need to recover millions of dollars of things back in RADA. Christopher Tufton at the university hospital, over $500 million cannot give account for. So they are running up and down all over the place, trying to deflect and using a guy like George Davis to mislead us and to deflect from the real meat of the matter. And the real meat of the matter is the corruption that is taking place within the Andrew Holness administration. Let's not make these people change the narrative. They are not in any position right now to change the narrative. So we must keep our foot on the gas and accelerate. Because what? Transparency, accountability, that's what we are looking for. And we now ease them up. So George Davis, you can come and twist it and as you like. We don't care. Our eyes is on the prize. We have on our blinders. We now look right, we now look left. We are looking at the corruption that is staring us in the face from this Andrew Holness administration, the administration that you and Cliff use come every day and blog for. We are holding you accountable. All right, that's how the thing said. The matic don't chat. The signature word, it never change. It remains. Art of love. Until then, Uno and the matic will chat again. Peace and love. The matic is out.